Hello. Thank you for watching this video to learn more about the proposed I-75 Business Loop Square Lake Road proposed Ramp B closure in Bloomfield Township, Pontiac, Bloomfield Hills, and Auburn Hills from the Michigan Department of Transportation. The specific study area we are focused on is the I-75 Business Loop and Opdyke Road interchange. However, our study includes other surrounding roadways including Woodward Avenue, I-75, M59, Adams Road, and Telegraph Road. The project includes reconstructing the I-75 business loop from Woodward Avenue to I-75. However, this study and video concentrate on existing safety concerns of Ramp B and the proposed plan to remove this ramp. Ramp B is currently the on-ramp from East Square Lake Road. Currently, the safety concern is the weaving conflict between vehicles on the ramp and I-75 business loop. Specifically, the insufficient distance between Ramp B to I-75 north and southbound ramps. The video shows the weaving maneuver that is a concern. Often, the traffic is required to slow down, speed up, or shift abruptly, which can lead to potential conflicts and even severe crashes. The goal is to reduce crashes and improve safety. Road design standards are in place to ensure the safety of the public. For a safe weaving movement, there are minimum distance requirements for design elements. At this location, none of the standards are met. In fact, the existing weaving distance is approximately half of what it should be. After careful consideration and evaluation of multiple design options, our proposed design is to eliminate Ramp B. The goal is to improve safety and to avoid or minimize impacts to environmental assets. So, how do you get to I-75 if the ramp is closed? There are a few options. For those travelers on westbound Square Lake or northbound Opdyke, follow Ramp D to continue onto Square Lake to use an existing turnaround or Michigan left crossover to continue onto I-75. If you are traveling southbound on Opdyke Road, you can utilize Ramp E and follow a similar maneuver. Go to one of the crossovers and continue along eastbound towards the I-75 interchange. You could also use M59 to access I-75, which is approximately 3 miles from Ramp B. In addition, you could also utilize Adams Road to access I-75, which is approximately 2 miles from Ramp B. When a revision to an interstate interchange is considered, a study is performed that evaluates all impacts of the potential change, including vehicular movement, safety, environmental concerns, air quality, biological, environmental justice, historic, recreation, and noise. In addition, public feedback is vital, and that is where the project is now, gathering your comments on the preferred alternative of closing Ramp B. We invite you to come to our public meeting for an open house discussion to provide feedback to the project design team regarding the Ramp B closure. The meeting will be held at the Marriott Hotel located at 3600 Center Point Parkway in Pontiac on Monday, February 27th, 2023 from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. If you've missed or couldn't make the meeting or need additional information, please visit the project website. Thank you.